So I've got the AirPods Pro 3s. These are the new AirPods Pros from Apple. And let's go ahead and unbox and set these things up for the first time. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing. Now, this is what the box looks like. And all you have to do is peel these tabs at the back. Let's go ahead and peel both of them. And then let's see what comes in the box. All right, so that's the cover of the box right there. And first you get what I think is documentation. That's the user manual and some warranty papers and stuff like that. Put that to the side. Then we have the AirPods. Before we look at the AirPods themselves, let's have a look at these extra ear tips. So let's open this up like that. So we have the extra ear tips, and keep in mind that these are the new ear tips with both foam and silicone. So inside this silicone cover is foam, which gives you a much better seal. So we have extra small, small, and large. Okay, so there's that. And then we have the AirPods Pro 3s. I'm not sure how to get this off. Let's see. There you go. So that's a first look at the AirPods Pro 3s. There's no physical button on the case, as you can see. You have the place for attaching the lanyard. And then let's have a look at the buds themselves. So you can see the light is there under the cutout for this light. Okay, but you do get the light there. Okay, so they're currently in pairing mode because they've never been connected, and that's what they look like. Okay, they do have a heart rate sensor, so this is it. We're going to be testing that out. Obviously, I'm not sure if it has to be this one because this is the in-ear sensor, and then you have this new sort of a mesh which gives them the better sound, and they look slightly different. So I'm just gonna take everything away first so we can actually compare them with the AirPods Pro 2s. So let's just keep all this away. All this stuff away. I'm gonna leave this box here, and let's have a look at the comparison with the AirPods Pro 2s. So here they are. So in terms of the case, this case looks a little bit bigger for the AirPods Pro 3s. And then of course on the AirPods Pro 2s, we have a physical button. This one, the pairing button. You can see the round cutout, and that's not here on the AirPods Pro 3s. Let's have a look at the other side. And then of course, like I'd mentioned, the light has a physical cutout, but on this one, it's like under this plastic. So there's no physical cutout for the light. So getting into the case, let's have a look at the earbuds themselves and see the difference. All right, so you can see this gap here has become bigger on the AirPods Pro 3s, as you can see. And then this might be the difference with the ear tip. But then these ones have this sensor. Okay, so if you go back this side, you can see there's a sensor here on the AirPods Pro 3s. On the 2s, there's nothing there. So that should be the heart rate sensor. Anyway, let's set this up, and then we'll have more in-depth reviews and tests in the coming videos. Okay, so